Yes, good evening everyone. Sir, in the last videos, just we started a new batch on data structures and algorithms with Java. This is nothing but seventh batch, sir. Successfully, we completed 5 batches and the sixth batch is going on. It is about 1 week pending topics are there. We are going to finish that sixth batch also within 1 week. So this is a new batch. This is a new batch. So this is nothing but a seventh batch. And the fees for this batch is rupees, okay, rupees 1500. The people who have not connected to audio, please cross check. So your internet connectivity, Sai, okay, please check the connections. Everything is working fine. So the fees for this batch is rupees 5000. The duration of this course, sir, how many days you are going to take the classes? Very simple. It will be 2 months, sir. Max limit is 2 months. So September and October. So it won't take up to October ending. In the middle of the October only, we can wind up this. And the timings of this batch is 9:15 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. So 9:15 to 10:30, the regular class will be there. And maybe some 5 minutes delay will be there. Maybe 9:15, 9:20, like that I will start, but it won't go beyond that. I request everyone to please join 5 minutes before. Okay. So maybe 9:18, 9:19, 9:20. In that time period, I will start. Okay. Next, Monday to Friday classes will be there. And I told very clearly, Saturday and Sunday, there won't be any classes. In the middle, I may plan for some classes because there are some topics which required continuity. For example, if I am taking linked list, if I explain today linked list, if I continue tomorrow, definitely you people are going to miss something. To maintain that continuity, there are some special topics are there and easy topics that I need to cover at a stretch by taking 2 hours, 2.5 hours like that. Those classes will be there on weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Prior intimation I will give, and that won't be from 9:15, maximum 1 hour, 2 hours. We will prepone only on that days. Okay, maybe 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. I will start like that. That we will discuss in our regular classes and we will decide. But anyway, first 2 weeks we won't have any special classes. And first week I'm going to take the classes very slowly because you people have to understand. And moreover, we are going to announce some add-on batch and then we will combine it with our batch. That's why first 1 week a bit slow will be there. Next, the people who are willing to continue, you can contact to these numbers or you can drop a mail to this mail ID. Of course, I think it is not required. After completion of the session, anyway, our team are going to follow you, or they are going to send some messages in the form of mail IDs like that. You can, if you are okay, you can reply to that and you can make the payments. All the details will be shared. Okay. Next, and after that, one second. Next term, sir, how many demos will be there? 5 demos. Yesterday, we completed first demo. This is the second demo. Another 3 demos will be there. So the content, so we are going to share running notes. So with this folder name, DSA with Java batch 7, September 2023. There you can get running notes and resources. Resources in the sense, any interview questions links, okay, hacker rank links, so programming challenges, okay, or any images when I'm explaining the concept. So if any concept is unable to understand, I will give that image also. That image you can able to expect in this running. Okay, sir, let me create that folder because from today onwards I am going to start sharing the running. Those who have paid, immediately you people are going to get access for this from tomorrow onwards. Okay, I'm creating a new folder. What is that folder? DSA with Java batch 7. So September 23, like this I'm going to create a folder. In this, you can see the running notes. Anyway, after completion of our class, I will provide. Sir, you can search with this name. In your shared folder, you are going to get this one. Okay. So next and after that, what about videos? Videos will be given for you for 6 months access. Videos are not downloadable. That's why. So you are going to get with 6 months access. Okay. 6 months you can able to watch that videos. So if any new person is there, this is nothing but the previous class recorded session. That is yesterday, our first demo was happened. That link I'm going to share for you people in the chat window. Okay, you can able to copy paste and you can view that later. And I explained the syllabus what we are going to cover in the last class. Almost 1 hour I have taken to explain the syllabus and various doubts related to our syllabus. Okay, like almost 1 hour session I took yesterday. Okay, and we discussed so many new things, sir. Sir, now of course, if you want at the top level, introduction to data structures and algorithms. So analysis of algorithms like a complexity, sample algorithms and implementations, array data structure, 1D array programs, 2D array programs, CRUD operations on arrays. So java.util.arrays. So array rotations, string data structure, programs on strings, regular expressions. So recursion and applications, backtracking, so sorting methods, divide and conquer, searching algorithms, bit manipulations, dynamic programming and greedy algorithms, linked list data structure. Okay, linked list data structure. So stack data structure, queue data structure, hash table, tree data structure, priority queues, hashing. So graph data structure, almost 100 interview questions with answers you can expect. Okay, 100 interview questions. So with answers you can expect from my side. This is nothing but whatever we discussed in the last videos. Okay, sir, if you are clear with this, can I go for our first topic? Yes, please confirm.
Yes, please.
Clear? Can I go for continuation?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, you can.
Good. Sir, now the next important thing, please take a bit very special care. Sir, in the demo, I want to go from the beginning, sir, because these are related to the theoretical part. That's why you people are going to get confused. So I will take third chapter and I will start doing the programs. But meanwhile, after explaining every program, I will take some concepts randomly. Just I will project you how it will be. Okay, I will project you how it will be. Sir, first we are going to start what chapter, which chapter we are going to start? Chapter number 3. So chapter number 3. What is this chapter here is, sir, do you know sample algorithms? Sample, so algorithms, sample algorithms and implementations. Implementations. Sir, we are going to discuss some sample algorithms and we will see how you can able to implement. For going into this, just I want to demonstrate how to execute. Yeah, backtracking also I will explain, don't worry. So first step, I want to demonstrate, sir, how we can able to create our first Java program. Okay, how you can able to create our first Java program we are going to see now. Now have a look once. Sir, go to file, create a new file. So first save the file. Any file name you can give. Sir, in our C drive, just there is a folder with name test. In that, I'm going to save the file name as a test.java. You know very well, always the extension for Java program is nothing but always .java. Yes, my Java program is ready. My Java program is ready. Sir, now we have to write the coding. You know very well, Java is object-oriented programming language. Without a class, without object-oriented programming, you can't able to write a simple Java program also. That's why I'm taking a class test. A class test. Within this, what we have to do? you have to write a main method. I think you know the signature of main method. This is nothing but the signature of main method. Like so public static void main string array args, like this we have to take. So within this we have to write the code, sir. Within this we have to write the code. So whatever code that we are writing here, that will be executed. Okay, I think already you have knowledge on these things, so I'm not going in detail. So system.out.println of, just we are going to take, so hello testing Java program, testing Java program, like this. Just I have given some message. Sir, it is a simple Java program, right? There is no mistakes. How to check whether it is working or not? Since we have to learn from the command prompt, so every time, except in the advanced topics, in the remaining small programs for testing purpose, better to go for command prompt with any editor. So where you can get so much of content by seeing the error messages and what mistakes you have done, you can get it more clearly. Cd backslash to come out from all the directives, because I stored this particular file in a test folder. Cd space test, it will enter into test folder. Now Java C space test dot Java. This is the command, right, to compile your Java program. Sir, is it compiled? Yes. How to run the Java program? I am taking Java space test. Are you seeing what output we got? Hello, testing my Java application. Yes, perfectly my program is working. This is the way how to execute a simple Java program, sir. I think it is very clear. Nothing is new for you in this scenario. Okay. So how to execute a simple Java program, I explained very clear. Sir, are you comfortable up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right,
Yes, sir.
right. What is algorithm? Can you please explain? Algorithm is very simple. Step by step process for solving the problem is called as algorithm. Okay. Okay. So anyway, I will show you. Don't worry. Please wait. Sir, first program is nothing but I want to implement a program. Okay. I want to implement a program. So to find addition. Okay. To find addition of two numbers. So I want to check, or I want to find out addition of two numbers. For this, I want to implement the program. Sir, what are the steps? What is the algorithm you can write for this? The algorithm is very simple, sir. What is the first step? Step one, we have to read a comma b values. We have to read a comma b values from the user. Then we have to compute C value. What is the formula for C, sir? A plus B. And we have to print, okay, we have to print the result to the console. A very simple step. Beyond that, nothing is there. Sir, now I will implement this program. So what is my requirement? You need to read some data from the user. Sir, please make sure if you want to read some data, you have to import one special package, which is nothing but util, because in the util class, so in the util package, there is one special class is there with the name scanner, by using which we can able to scan the data which you have entered in the console. In this scenario, the console is nothing but my screen, sir. My command prompt is there, right? From that, I will pass the values. So what I did, I added two lines to the Java program. What is the first line? Java.util.star. Because I want to read dynamic data from the user. So it is possible by using one utility class, which is defined in the util package. What is that class name? Scanner, which will scan the data. From where we are scanning, there are multiple forms are there. There are multiple forms are there. You can scan from a string. You can scan the data from a string, or you can scan the data from a file. Okay, or you can scan the data from input device. But here I want to read from this input panel. That's why, so I'm going to use this third method. Now, sir, how to read first number? Obj dot, since we are talking about integer, so next int is nothing but a method which they have already declared in the scanner class. Okay, so we are going to read that number and we are storing inside A. Sir, another number is also required. Don't worry, integer B is equal to obj dot next int I am taking. Two numbers I accepted. Sir, here you are going to give system.out.println of, if you want some interface message, enter two integer values. Enter two integer values. Sir, I have given two integers, I accept. Sir, don't do calculation part here. Don't do calculation part here. Directly, I am going to give this data to some other person. Maybe add function I am going to create where I will pass a comma b. So we are passing these two inputs to some other function. What is the name of that function, or what is the name of that method, or what is the name of that person? Add. So there is a separate person is there. Consider this main method is nothing but a principal. Okay, one parent came. Okay, so there is one small issue is happened in the classroom. So one of my kids friend, so they are fighting with each other. Can you please resolve that issue? Like that, one parent came to the principal. What principal immediately done? So he attached that particular student and that parent. So two attender, okay, or they are going to give the task to the attender to meet corresponding department HOD. Then what will happen? HOD will be there in the cabin. HOD will be there in the cabin. So he is going to take those two parameters and he will do the job. So, and he is going to resolve and he will give the acknowledgement to the principal saying, sir, whatever issue you have given, that issue got resolved. Sir, now what kind of numbers you are passing? Integers. Sir, is it possible to call this one? Yes. Sir, it is doing some addition operation. What kind of value it is returning? Integer only. So you have to mention like this. So what is the function that we have here? What is the method that we have? Add method is there, which is taking two parameters. Okay, which is taking two parameters and it is performing addition operation. It is performing addition operation like that we have. Sir, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Can I run this code? Yes, you can. But in Java, you know very well, it is object-oriented programming. If you want to touch anything in the Java, you have to create one object, then only you can call. Sir, here just I am not going for a big project like product. So product implementation, banking system, account management. Like I am not going for a big projects. I am taking any small project I am implementing, small code testing I am doing. I am not going to implement any project. Just for testing purpose, I want to call this add. For that object creation, memory wastage, I don't want. Then what you can do? Sir, in front of this, there is one beautiful keyword is there with the name static. Static. If you take static, what will happen? Sir, without object, you can call this. Sir, am I creating any object for test class? No. Directly I'm calling, sir. No problem, it is going to work. Now see, the program is correct. Now let us see whether it is working or not. I am compiling the program, sir. There is no mistake in the program. Sir, I am running the program. It is asking enter two integer values. Boss, my first value is a 111 followed by space. My second value is 222. It is taking these two numbers and performing addition operation returned to main. That main function is going to print the result. Sir, we got a 333 or not? Yes. Sir, can you please cross check by providing some other data? I am giving 100 and then 300. What is my expected output? 400. Is that output is coming or not? Yes. So this is nothing but a simple arithmetic related program I implemented, sir. Nothing is there here. Just a simple code for your easy understanding purpose. I have taken the first program. What is that? I want to perform addition of two numbers. How beautifully we implemented this concept. I think you people got a very clear clarity. Like step by step, we will move, sir. Are you feeling any difficulty in this code? Please confirm everyone.
No, this is not expected. That's clear.
Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Right. I request everyone to please confirm clear up to this. Right. Sir, Chandra is asking, is there any prerequisite to learn DSA in Java? Huh? Java is the prerequisite. Answer is there in your question. Okay. So what will happen if you press enter after entering the first number? Rahul Singh. Nothing will be happened. It will take a second input. Space enter key, these will be considered as a separator in Java. Like Python, we don't have any issue here. Okay. Happily you can give by separating with the spaces, or you can provide enter key also, no problem, it will accept. Okay.
Sir, without that static keyword, can you run this add function?
See what will happen. I removed the static word and see.
Compile the error.
Yes, non-static method. You are calling non-static method from the static context. First create the object, then call. Got it? We need to know about the basics of Java. Without Java basics, how you can implement data structure related concept here? You can't. Can we write java.util.scanner instead of util? Yes, we can. Suryateja. So see, Java related doubts don't bring here. Okay. Just for your refreshing purpose, I'm giving the program. If you learn DSA in Java, it will be helpful other languages also. So learning, see, implementations is going to be changed. Okay. So yesterday you have not attended, it seems. Yesterday I explained very clearly. DSA is the concept. Okay. Whether you are taking Java, you have to implement by using Java tools. If you want to go for Python, you have to implement in Python. Okay, Python language. That's all. So language is nothing but a tool. That's all. I want to reach from Hyderabad to Bangalore. The transport medium may be different, but the target is the same. Something like that. Maybe 10-15, I will be free. Not for you, sir. You are chatting with someone. Huh? Okay. Right. Sir, now the people who are willing to continue. Okay, the people who are willing to continue. So you can do these steps. This is nothing but the information what we have. Just if you want, you can take the screenshot of this. Where is my notepad? Yeah. If you want to just, you can take the screenshot of this all payment related information. Okay. The people who are willing to continue, just you can follow these steps. Their account number. Okay. So every information is available. If you want, you can feel free to contact to these numbers also. They will provide the support. Okay. Take a screenshot of this. So those who are willing to continue, you can take a screenshot and you can follow. So from tomorrow, you are going to receive the notes, whatever I am typing, and immediately our team are going to share the videos also from tomorrow. Okay. On the count of 5, just to take the screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right. Sir, next coming to this next one, just I implemented. Okay. Yeah, you can go with the Google Pay. Here we have given, right, Google Pay. So once after making the payment, just you have to send your screenshot of a payment receipt for confirmation with the transaction ID to DurgaSoft. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Ma'am, what is your doubt?
No, there's no doubt.
Yeah. Right. So this is nothing but what we have. I think first program we have seen. Sir, after this, I want to explain one small concept for you people. Okay. Yesterday, some people are very Eagerly waiting for this. Backtracking. Backtracking. What is mean by backtracking? Do you know inside recursion? Okay. So inside recursion, if we want, we can move back. If you want, you can move back. Sir, I started from, okay, I started from the position called A, or I started in my area, I started from the first street from my house. I entered into first street to second street, second street to third street, third street to some fifth street. Like that, I'm keep on moving, and I'm searching for some data. I didn't get that data in that place. I came to the dead end. Then I called to some other person. They told in the fourth street it is available, but unfortunately I have not entered into the fourth street. I crossed the fourth street. Sir, can I come back? Yes, you can do that. Do you know that the process is called as what? Backtracking. Name itself is very clear, giving clarity. Backtracking means what? Coming out, coming out one by one from the steps. Okay. What is recursion? Someone is asking. Oi, you don't know about recursion? A method which is called by itself. I will explain, don't worry. We have a separate chapter. Just at a top level, please see. Don't ask in detail doubts, because you can see there is a chapter with the name recursion, and there is a chapter with the name backtracking. So because if I'm keep on explaining the programs like this, syllabus will be completed. But this is the demo session, right? So you need to show the interest. So how the topics will be, at least what kind of explanation sir is giving. So is sir is going to fulfill our requirement or not? Like that, you need to test. Okay. So for that, you are attending the demo session. That is the meaning of demo. Okay. So in that, I'm not going to cover all the topics. Just I will pick up randomly some topics and I will demonstrate. So please concentrate at the top level. What is this and how I'm going to project all these things? Something like before watching the movie, so trailer, teaser will be there, right? So like that, these demo sessions. Okay, 5 hours trailer I'm going to give for the 45 to 50 hours class. So if you are satisfied with this 5 hours demo, then immediately you can make the payment and join. You will enjoy the remaining 45 hours cinema. Okay. Recursion is very hard to understand. Who told? Krishna Prasad. How you are going to solve these approaches? Yes, definitely. With a meaningful terminologies, with a very clear examples, step by step with the diagrams, we will solve. Don't worry. Okay. Sushanta, please be wait. Don't worry. Please wait. Don't hurry. Okay. Now, so inside recursion, if we want, we can move back, sir. This process is called as what? Something like backtracking. Something like backtracking. Okay. So this is nothing but what we have. Reflection topic in DSA. No. Sir, have a look once. Just I want to show you some images. Just I want to show you some images. Have a look once. Okay. Sir, are you seeing images here? This is nothing but something, this kind of game, I think you have seen in your papers or even weekly books, okay, or somewhere in your documents. You are going to see these kind of puzzles. These kind of puzzles is very common, sir. Okay. Have you observed? So what is there in this? If you see, this is nothing but the starting point. This is nothing but the starting point of the rat. This is nothing but ending point. It should come and it should leave here. Sir, for this, we have to identify the path. Sir, what is the first path? Maybe it is coming here. It is going up to this. Sir, is there any route for this? No. Backtracking, come backward. Identify another path. Yes, you will go here. You are going to move on this. Sir, assume I went to here. Is there any path here to go out? No. Again, come back. Okay. So again here. No, no way. Then come back. Then come back. Sir, is there any way here? No. So come back. Sir, is there any way here? No, come back. Then is there any way here? Like that, it is keep on searching and it will go. So there are multiple possibilities are there. Sir, at a time, directly it can go like this. Or sometimes So it can do a mistake, then it will come back. Do you know this process is called as what? Backtracking. There are several applications are there where we are going to use this backtracking principle. There are several applications are there where we are going to use this backtracking. Sir, best example, I have A, B, C. Like this, we have some substrings I want to find out. All possible combinations I want to see. A, B, C. Okay. So ACB. Next BAC. Okay. So CA. Next and after that CAB. Then CBA. Sir, these are called as what? Combinations of this string or not? Yes. How to develop this? By using recursion and backtracking help, we are going to do that. Anyway, I will explain these things in the recursion in detail. Just at a top level, try to observe. Sir, are you clear with the backtracking word terminology? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, we are going to solve one problem by using this backtracking. What is that a problem is nothing but, do you know, n queens? N queens problem is there. Sir, what is this n queens problem? Very simple. Sir, do you know we have a chessboard is there? Okay, we have a chessboard is there. Okay. Second, my previous class image is as it is there. 1 second. Right. Sir, we have a chessboard. Chessboard is there. Sir, this is nothing but the chessboard what I have. Just for time being, just for our convenient purpose, I am taking a small chessboard of order 4 by 4. 4 by 4. That means what? How many rows will be there? 4 rows will be there. This is the first row. This is the second row. Okay. And this is the third row. And this is the fourth row. Like that we have. And this is nothing but the first column. Okay. So this is nothing but the second column. And this is nothing but the third column. Like this, fourth column. This is nothing but a 4 by 4 chessboard is there. So generally, can you please tell me? Okay. So Sushanta, as of now, we are not going to talk about that. Just please concentrate on the content, whatever I'm explaining. For what kind of problems we can apply backtracking, that theoretical part I will demonstrate. Around 3 to 4 cases are there. So that we will discuss after learning recursion, you will get. On flow, I will explain. At very first day, you can't expect all these things. Okay. Please understand my problem. Right. Next. Sir, can you please tell me what is the size of the chessboard, sir? I don't know. Can you please tell me what is the size? How many rows, how many columns will be there in the chessboard?
8 rows, 8 columns.
Good. So 8 rows and 8 columns will be there. So just for our convenient purpose, we are bringing that to 4 rows and 4 columns. Do you know my requirement is I want to place a queen in this particular chessboard. So they have given total. Okay, they have given total. So 4 queens they have given. 4 queens they have given. We have to place. We have to place. So all the queens in given chessboard, such that so only one queen is allowed in a row and no collision should happen. Like this we have to write. This is nothing but a problem task. So we have to place all the queens in the chessboard such that only one queen is allowed in a row. Okay, so no collision should happen. Now observe carefully. First time, sir, I'm going to take a queen. Okay, first time I am taking a queen. Queen, I placed it. Yes. Sir, please confirm. Am I audible? Is my voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So here I placed the first queen here. Next term, sir, this queen can move in any direction. It can be horizontal, it can be vertical, towards up or towards left or towards right or towards down, or diagonally like this queen have capability to move in any direction. So while moving, it should not make a collision with another queen, sir. I think if you have idea about chessboard, their minister is there, something like minister we are calling. Actually, that is the queen. Okay, that minister can move in any direction, right? Any number of steps. A king can make only one step. Okay, elephant is having some what you can call some representation is there, some path is there. Camel is going to have one path. Okay, elephant is going to have one path, but a queen, sir, it is all rounder. Okay, like our python, it can move in any direction. Okay, sir, like that, this collision should not be happen. Now first queen I placed in the first row, no problem. Take the second row, we have 4 possible combinations are there. Can I place a queen here? No, because if this queen is going to move in this direction, collision will happen. Can I take here? No, because the queen is having capability to move in the diagonal also. Sir, can I take a queen here? Yes, you can take, no problem, because it won't come to this cell. This first queen won't come to this step. Okay, sir, can I take a third queen here? Third row, third queen? No, because collision will happen. Sir, here? No, you can't. Collision will happen. Sir, here? No, you can't. Collision will happen. Can I take here? No, collision will happen. Sir, can I say there is no place for the third queen in the third row? Then what we have to do? Sir, do you know in previous, go to backtracking. You placed the second queen in the third position. That's why there is no possibility. Can you please try by putting this queen in the fourth place? Now, can I take a queen here? No, because collision. Can I take here? Yes, no problem. No collision will happen. Sir, do you know whenever you are unable to get the result, you can come one step backward and you can get the result. Do you know this kind of nature is called as backtracking? Sir, up to this, do you have any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Clear? Please confirm everyone. Up to this, no doubts, right?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear, sir.
Yeah, clear.
Right. Sir, now, so first queen is okay, second queen is okay, third queen is okay. What about fourth queen? Can I take a queen here? Tell me, can I take a queen here?
No, sir. No, no.
No
No,
possibility. Can I take here?
No, sir.
no,
Can I take here?
No, sir.
Can I take here?
Yes, sir.
Oi,
No.
No,
No.
no, no,
Okay.
no, sir.
no possibility.
No, sir.
No.
Sir, can I say there is no place for the fourth queen? Then what we have to do? Backtracking. Where we have to come? Is it second row or first row or third row? Backtracking means immediately where it will go.
Last.
From where we came, that is nothing but the backtrack. Third row, it will come to here. Now check. So you have placed the queen here. That's why there is a problem. So can you please change this position to here? Sir, collision. Can I change here? No collision. So there is no proper place for the fourth row. There is no proper place for the third row. Even there is no proper place for second row. That means the first queen wherever you have taken, that is the problem. Can you please take here? Now try. Here second queen we can't take because of collision. So here we can't take collision. So here we can't take collision. Sir, here we can take. Third queen we can take here, no problem at all. Fourth queen here we can't take. Sir, here no, we can't take. Sir, here yes, we can take. Sir, seems to be if you take any queen, so there won't be any collision. Sir, every queen is accommodated perfectly in that position, right? Yes. Sir, don't feel that it is the only solution. It is the only solution. Like that, you may have n number of solutions. Okay, like that, you may have n number of solutions. Since it is a 4 queens problem, so this is nothing but one solution, where your first queen should be placed in the second position. So second queen should be placed in the fourth position. So next third queen first position. So then fourth queen, third position. Are you clear with this first solution? Please confirm.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can search for another possible way also. Yes, possibility is there. What is that possibility? Sir, can I take this queen? Okay, can I take this queen here? No, collision will happen. So this possibility won't work out. Sir, now can I place this queen here? No. Can I place here? No. Can I place here? No. That means there is no possibility for this. Sir, can I move this? No possibility. It came to the end. Sir, can I shift this queen? Yes, no problem. You can take here. Sir, after taking here, can I take a queen here? No, no, yeah, you can take. Sir, here you can't. Sir, here you can't. Sir, here you can't. But here you can take. No problem. Here you can't take fourth
No.
queen. Can I take here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
This is another solution. So first queen is located in the third position. So second queen is located at first position. Third queen is located at a fourth location, and the fourth queen is located at a second position. Like that we have. So now can I take this queen and can I search here? No, collision will happen. Here there is no possibility, and this one came to the ending. No possibility. Sir, can I bring this queen to here? No possibility. No possibility. No possibility. Okay, fine. Sir, can I bring the first queen to the fourth position? Yes, you can try. Now can I take here? Yes. Sir, can I take here? No. Can I take here? No. Can I take here?
Yes.
Yes. Can I
Yes.
take here? No.
No.
Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. So this position here, no possibility. So there is no place. Can I take in here? No problem. Here we can't take. Here we can't take. Here we can't take. Here we can't take. And replace here, not possible. Not possible. Can I say we have how many solutions are there for 4 queens? Only 2 solutions.
Two.
These are nothing but the solutions what we have. How to get this? For this, we have to write code in the recursion and backtrack. We have this program with the implementation we are going to see. Sir, I am not showing any magic. So practical example I am explaining. Sir, clear up to this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to see the solution for this program?
Yeah. Yes.
Don't worry, I won't explain the code, but do you want to see the execution of this program?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a look once. Already for the previous batch I have taken. Just I will execute that code. Okay. This is nothing but the program for the n queens. This is nothing but the program for n queens. Have a look once. So just at the top level, I will try to demonstrate. Just to have a look once. Program execution start from main method. I assigned 4 by 4 a character chessboard. Since it is a matrix style, 4 rows, 4 columns. Every element is assigned with X, which indicates empty chessboard. And we are calling n queens by passing this chessboard, and then from where we have to start 0th row. So here n queens problem is there. If row reach it to the last, we will print that value because result, and we will do this process recursively. And this is recursion, and this is backtracking. Very simple steps, sir. You can't see more code also. N queens. This is the recursion, and this is backtracking. You are trying to search for all possible combinations. If you are not getting the result, you will come back. So for that, you have to check one special function is safe. So is safe means whatever game we have done till now, that function is called as is safe. We will try to take a queen. Is that a queen possibility is there to put in each and every row? We will check. That is safe function. Anyway, I will explain that later. And how to print that board we have. So don't worry about in detail. Almost 71 lines of code is there. So I will try to execute this code. My program compiled successfully. I have given How many rows and how many columns? 4 by 4. Sir, are you seeing we have how many solutions are there? 2 solutions. Is my solution is correct? Just try to map with that whatever result we got. What is the first solution that we got? Sir, first queen is there in second position? Yes. Second queen, fourth position. Third queen, first position. Sir, fourth queen, third position. Second possibility. So 3, 1, 4, 2. Got the concept? This is nothing but what we have. Sir, can you please try to implement for a 5 by 5 chessboard? Yes, no problem. You can try. But actually it should be square. It should be perfect square. I mean, it should contain exactly 4, 2 by 2, 4 by 4, 8 by 8, 16 by 16, 32 by 32. Like that we have to take. But since we have written the program, no problem, you can take. So 5 by 5. Now you can see. Sir, total how many solutions we are getting? 10 solutions. If you increase the number of rows and number of columns, automatically more possible combinations we are going to get. How much time my program taken? Within fraction of seconds it is giving. All the solutions it is returning. Sir, how beautifully this backtracking is working. If you want, you can take for 8 by 8. So how many solutions you are going to get for 8 by 8 matrix? 8 by 8 chessboard. 92 solutions you are going to get. 92 solutions you are going to get. Okay. So this is nothing but, so how we can able to work with backtracking. Parallelly, same problem we have Sudoku. Sudoku problem is there. Sir, how you are going to solve the Sudoku? If you know very well about the n queens problem, Sudoku also same genre program. We are going to give some Sudoku. Okay, we are going to give some Sudoku. For example, if you take Sudoku, okay. Sir, you can see this is nothing but Sudoku what we have. Sir, I am going to give these numbers. Already it is having some numbers. We have to fill the remaining numbers. So this code we are going to type in the program. That code we are going to type in the program. Rest of the things it will fill automatically and it will return the results. Okay. So it is a backtracking. First we will try to check. Okay. Please listen carefully. So you know I think Sudoku very well. So first I am going to try with the backtrack. First here. So what is the rules? So in a row, we have to take a number that should not be repeated. In the column, that number should not be repeated. In the grid, that should not be repeated. First, I will take 1. You can see the mistakes. First, I am taking 1. Sir, it is a mistake 1. That means what? We can't take this 1 here. So because it is directly giving the solution. But in our backtracking, first we will try with 1. So possibility won't be there. And we will try with 2. Possibility will be there. Like that we are checking. Okay. So here, can I take 1? No, because it is already there 1. So can I take 2? In this row, it is not there. In this column, it is not there. In this grid, it is not there. We can take. Okay, here, can I take 3? In the row, it is there. In the column, it is there. We can't take. Sir, can I take 4? In the row, it is there. We can't. Can I take 5? In the grid, it is there. We can't. Can I take 6? So in this column, it is there. We can't. Can I take 7? In this row, in this column, it is not there. We can take 7. So actually, it is selling. So just game is over because it is online game, sir. That's why we have like this. Okay. But don't worry. We will see how you can able to solve that. Okay. So got it. This kind of a problem is also comes under Sudoku. Are you clear with this? Up to this, whatever I covered, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nitesh, yes. Very good problem. Clear? Sir, please confirm everyone so that I will go for next
sir, clear.
concept. Now, sir, next I will go with second application, second problem I want to solve. So what is that problem? I will demonstrate. I mean, not related to the other concept, just second algorithm I am trying to solve. So before going to the second algorithm, I will give tomorrow's problem statement also. How many people are feeling, sir, decimal, okay, decimal to binary conversion So decimal to octal conversion and decimal to hexadecimal conversion, or decimal to any base conversion. Okay, so any base conversion, it is very difficult for me. Like that, anyone is feeling? Please confirm.
No, sir.
It is quite confusing.
It is confusion for every time, because sometimes we can use predefined functions. So when the situation comes to the implementation, so binary, okay, you have to divide and you have to take the coefficients and reminders. A big process is there, right? Yes, confusing. Good. Right. Okay. Sir, do you know, by using recursion, very easily we can able to solve this process. So tomorrow our agenda is this one only. Okay. We are going to see how you can convert decimal to binary and decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to any base. I will show with real time examples. Like we will see one input and output, and by using recursion whether we are getting solution or not, with a clear step-by-step process I will explain. But see the problem in the top level. Don't go in detail. Okay. Priyanka, can I get recorded video at the end of the day every day? No. So on the same day, it won't be updated because the 10 class is going to wind up at 10:30. So maximum night shift is there in our office. So if any person is there allotted for this, no problem. Otherwise, early morning, we are going to upload. Okay. You can maintain 1 or 2 sessions backup for the recorded sessions. Okay. Right. Now, can you take TikTok tic tac problem also? Yeah, we will see, definitely. Okay, definitely we will see. I may not give guarantee, but I will see the problem, and if it is in our hand, definitely we will implement. Don't worry at all. Okay, right. Sir, what is the second problem? Just agenda alone I will give. Sir, second problem, I want to implement a program, sir, to check whether the given number, okay, whether the given number is even or odd. We have to implement a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. Like this, we have to take. Sir, I don't want to write algorithm because in the basics I will explain. Okay. Snakes and ladders problem and towers of Hanai. Towers of Hanai problem is there. Snakes and ladder may not, because it is involving so many steps. I may not cover that. Okay, but towers of Hanai is there. Can I get syllabus of data structures and algorithms? Yes, already I have shared. Please wait, at the end I will share. Okay. Sir, now we have to write a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. Sir, it is very easy, but I have two approaches are there. Sir, please be on mute. Alsam Khan, please be on mute. Suma, will these programs implementations will be explained in detail while covering the syllabus? I told this backtracking, right? That I will explain in detail. And even this problem also in the recursion chapter, I will explain in detail. But this first program and the second program, already we started exploring. Okay. Sir, second problem. So I have to write a program to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. Sir, I am going to implement this program in two ways. I am going to implement this program in two ways. What is the first way is nothing but, sir, do you know? So I will read a number from the user, enter an integer value. An integer value. Only one value, right? So let it be n. That value is nothing but n. I'm checking like this. Now I will call so method 1. Okay, I will call method 1, which is going to take only that number, and it will return whether the number is even or odd. I will take one more method to. Okay, please listen carefully. So what is the method that I'm going to take is static. First method you know very well, Boolean method. So I'm taking the method name as Boolean method. The method name I am taking it as method 1, which will receive a number n. Can you please tell me how you can say whether the given number is even number or odd number? How to check, sir? Do you have any logic? Please tell me so that I will write code. Yes.
If the remainder is 0, then it is a even.
Yes.
That's
Yeah, correct. Yes, correct. So you have to divide with percentage 2. If you are getting remainder as a 0, then that number is even number, right? So now what I am going to do is very simple. I am dividing n percentage 2. If it is equal to 0, then what is the meaning? Is it a even number or not? Yes. So otherwise it is the odd number. So I will do one thing. Instead of a boolean, I will check this condition. Suppose if it is returning true, okay, I am going to return even. Otherwise I will return odd. Like this I am taking return. Sir, I will replace this boolean with string, because return type you can see string. That's all. Sir, now what is happening? It is taking a number and I am dividing with percentage 2. If that remainder whatever you got is equal to 0, means left side value, right side value, both are equal, then immediately what will happen? This total result will become true. If true means it will print this. So it will return that string, and the output by default we are going to get even. Suppose if you are giving any odd number, if you divide with percentage 2, that is not equal to 0, then immediately what will happen? It is going to return odd, like this we are to get. Okay, sir, I think the first method, whatever I explained, is it clear for you people? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So I will do one thing. Just I am hiding the second method and I will try to execute this code. Really, is it working or not? Enter any integer. I am giving 10. Sir, my output is even. Sir, I am giving 11. My output is odd. Yes, first method is working correctly. Now I want to implement a second method. What is the second method here is? Please concentrate. Second method is also same like this. Okay. So second method also, whatever I have taken here, same thing like this. But only the conditional part I am going to change. Okay, only the conditional part I am going to change. What is that conditional part is? Sir, it is a bit difficult to understand. Please concentrate. Can you anyone tell me what is the binary equivalent of 0 in 4-bit form? Can you please tell me? What is the binary equivalent of 0?
0, 0, 0, 0.
Very good. 0, 0, 0, 0. What is the binary equivalent of 1?
0, 0, 0, 1.
Very good. So the people who are getting confusion, sir, I don't know how to convert. Please remember this formula 8421 code. Sir, now if you are getting 2, in the place of 2, take 1. In the remaining places, take 0. Sir, 3. By adding which digits we are going to get 3, in that place try to take 1, remaining places 0. Sir, I am taking 4. 4 means what? 8, 4, 2, 1. Sir, I want to take a 5. Sir, 8, 4, 2, 1. Can you please identify among these values, whatever we have given, even numbers and odd numbers are there, right? Please look a closer look at this. And are you feeling any difference? Are you observing any hook point? Sir, this is the even number. This style is like this. This is the odd number. This tail is
Even
like
numbers
this.
are having ones, while odd numbers are having two ones.
2 ones.
Even number
5
or
is forget about this. If you take more numbers, the zeros will be added, madam. For example, if you take 6, 0, 1, 1, 0, right? For an even number also, we got 2 ones.
yeah,
Got
for
it?
Every
based on
last
the
digit.
last digit.
Very good, very good. Who is telling that last digit? You can see last digit, sir. Okay, last digit. So last digit instead of last digit in the binary, are you going to read from left to right or right to left for binary? Huh? Will you read from left to right or right to left?
Right,
think it is
right to left.
Right to left. So this least significant bit, I can say this bit as a least significant bit. So if least significant bit is 0, then it is even. If least significant bit is 1, then it is odd. Sir, if you are clear with this, I will go for the logic. Are you clear with this concept?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone, please confirm. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, based on this, just very good. Nikita Singh, very good, very good. Sir, now have a look once. First number I am taking. Please observe carefully. Sir, first one I am taking. Let us take any two numbers like 3 and 4 I am taking. What is a 3? 0, 0, 1, 1. So try to perform AND operation with 1. 1 means what is a corresponding binary equivalent? Every digit will be 0 after 1. Only the first bit will become 1. Sir, you told that whenever a number is having LSB as a 1, it is nothing but odd number, right? So if you perform AND operation with 1, definitely this will become what? 1. Then it is an odd number. Is it correct? Yes. Sir, take any other number like 4, 8, 4, 2, 1. In this, definitely LSB is not 1. Then if you perform AND operation with 1, your result will become 0. Right? Then I can say it is the even. Simple logic. Again, I am repeating. Please have a look once. Take the 5. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Try to perform AND operation with 1. So 1 and 1, 1. In the remaining places, anyway, you will get 0. Because if at least one argument is 0, your result is 0. So if you are getting 1, then it is an odd number. If you are getting 0, like if you take 6, like this we have. So 0, 0, 0, 1. Sir, what output we are going to get? 0, 0, 0, 0. So then it is nothing but even number. Can I say n, the given number, performing AND operation with 1? Performing AND operation with 1. If this result is equal to 0, then it is even. If it is not equal to 0, it is odd. Sir, are you clear with this logic, whatever I told?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Please
sir.
confirm.
Yes, sir. So sorry for the interrupt. Sir, if you go to the 0, 1, 0, I mean 0, 1 not 1, 0, 0 odd numbers, sir. Yeah, 0, 1, 0. Again 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you mentioned like it will come as an odd number, right? Odd number. Suppose I think if you take any two odd numbers like 1, 3, if you add it, it will come as even number, right? Two odd numbers sum is equal to even, right?
Yes. You are telling that is another
So
logic. Huh?
no. You are already mentioned that one path 0, 1, 0. You are already mentioned if you added sum is equal to it will come as a odd.
See, I am not performing addition operation. Please listen. I am concentrating only on this bit. Okay. I am concentrating only on this bit. That's why I am performing AND operation with 1 alone. Because when we are talking about AND, whether irrespective of the digits, whatever we have, your result will become 0 only. Why? Because AND operation means what? All the values are 0. That we know in advance. So 0 performing AND operation with any bit will result 0. So we are concentrating mainly on LSB bit alone. If LSB bit is 1, if you perform AND operation with 1, it will return 0. Got it? Based on the time taken.
Yeah.
Right. Sir, I will go for implementation of this program. Have a look once. Sir, n performing AND operation with 1. Please make sure you have to put this in inside another bracket, sir. Why? Because it is the bitwise operators which is having somewhat least priority. That's why. So you have to take. Why? Because if you are taking like this, again I am repeating, please listen. So this operator is having highest priority than this. That's why first you have to take this evaluation. Whatever result that you are getting, that I am comparing with 0. Now have a look once. So my code got completed. Now I am trying to run the code. Enter any integer 5. Sir, in both the cases I got odd. Give 6. In both the cases I am getting even. Let us try. Sir, I am giving 100. In both the cases I am getting even. Let us give 101. In both the cases I am getting odd. Sir, now my question is, both algorithms are same. But can you please tell me, is the first logic is going to execute very fastly or second logic is going to execute very fastly? Please confirm.
Second.
Yes, very good. Second. Why? Because so it is dealing with bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are having the efficiency to work with these binary numbers. Sir, anyway, suppose consider I have one small issue is there in my house. In front of my house, water is not coming. So what I have to do? I need to write a letter to my area corporator. So then he is going to forward that to some counselor. So we have to bring that letter to the counselor, and that counselor is going to forward that letter to the municipal officer. So we have to take that letter to the municipal officer. Then he is going to provide a solution within 1 or 2 days. Like that, he is going to give the suggestion and he is going to write the remarks, and so that issue will be resolved. Suppose consider the same thing happened for MLA. Then what will happen? MLA can make a direct call to the municipal commissioner, and he is going to give that municipal authority persons. He is going to give the instructions directly, sir, which is very easy. Because if you have a weightage in the society, automatically your problems are going to be very simplified. Like that, the mission can understand only zeros and ones. But bitwise operators are having the direct access towards that data, sir. Why? Because even if you are performing normal operations, it has to convert it into binary, and then we have to work with that. Then only you will get the result. But my bitwise operators are having a direct access, so that bitwise operators are having a special significance, sir. Okay, not only this one. In everywhere we have this special significance will be there for these bitwise operators. That's why we are going to cover a separate chapter. We are going to see a separate chapter on the bit manipulations. Okay, so there is one separate chapter is there with the name bit manipulations, where we are going to cover how we can deal with these binary numbers. Where is that? Somewhere I have covered.
17 number.
Yeah, here we are going to see in detail around some 6 to 7 applications I want to demonstrate. Okay, so there again I will repeat this program, sir. This program also will get there. What will happen if you are getting negative number? Yes, we can do that. That 2's complement, all these terminology will be there. Okay, so is the program is going to work for negative number? Someone is asking. Let me cross check. Sir, -2 I am giving even. Sir, -9 I am giving odd. Is it working or not? Surya.
Sir, one question. Like I learned in Java about auto boxing in integer, like that type of things. Boxing. This thing like integer to decimal directly.
Ma'am,
What is this?
yeah, complete context. You are talking about completely context. Actually, so auto boxing, auto unboxing is related to the objects. Okay. So that object content will be there, right? That will be, it can be a number, or it can be a string, it can be a decimal number, or it can be a binary number, anything. See, at the top level, we will represent only in the form of decimal. But representation wise, you can do in any fashion. Are you getting my point? Suppose if I'm taking, I think you heard about this scenario also. Maybe if you have seen your Java lectures, if x is equal to 10, if I'm printing system.out.println of x, the given data is integer. Okay, the given data is integer, and the output what I am getting is also integer. Am I correct? Suppose if I am giving something like 0x10, the given data is in which form? Hexadecimal form, but the output what we are going to get is integer form. So the data will be represented only in the decimal. So decimal to object conversion only will be there. Object to decimal conversion only will be there. But internally, while evaluating inside the system, it will be converted into binary.
Okay. Yes.
Right.
Right.
Sir, any doubts up to this?
So you have given like 8421, right? The one number to easy to find binary converting to the binary. I think that won't applicable for big numbers, right? Suppose if you have a 60 or 70, I think
Yes,
that
it is.
some will not
Yes,
come.
sir, it is applicable. It is applicable for any number. Just you have to raise the powers. 8421 means what? How 1 we got? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Like that, you have to increase the powers.
Oh, can you tell me like suppose 1 to
see if you have just have a look once 2 power 0, so 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Up to this I covered. 2 power 3 is 8, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So if you want to represent 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8, up to that we can take. What is the 2 power 8 value?
I think 1 0
1?
2
2 power 8.
I'm not sure.
256, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe 256
Yeah.
plus 2 power 7 value plus 2 power 6
128.
value. 128, huh? So 128 plus
2
here.
power 7, 128.
Yeah, 2 power 7, 128. And 2 power 6?
64.
64. Then we are going to get 32. So then we are going to get 16. So 8. So 4, 2, 1. If you add all these things, you are going to get some value. So that value we can represent here. So still if you are getting, go to 2 power 9. So then 2 power 10. Like this you can represent. Got it, sir?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
There only one question with respect to the decimal thing. So that happened at the runtime, that conversion, that native
Yes,
code
yes,
at that
yes,
time.
yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Right. Ayo, around 10:35. Still people are there in the class. Super. Right. So I will stop today. Okay. So this is nothing but what we have in today's session. Sir, tomorrow we are going to see about the recursion and still some more examples like programs I will implement. Okay. Right. Next and after that, sir, one more small announcement. The people who are willing to continue, sir, I need Java also. I want to learn Java also from your side. Means, yes, I am going to start a new CoreJava batch. A new CoreJava batch I am going to start at morning 6 a.m. Okay, I know it is a bit early. So probably we are planning to move this 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. at least. We are planning, but depending on the strength, we will decide. So that details will be there in your website. In the tomorrow class, I will give that details. If you are willing to continue from the next week, that is September 4th onwards, morning 6 o'clock, that session will be there. So fees for the Java is nothing but 5,000. 5,000. Okay. Fees for the Java is 5,000. You are explaining like still we want more. Definitely. So someone asked, sir, can you please share the syllabus of this data structures? This is nothing but the syllabus what we have. Yeah, it covers new features also. In the demo, I will explain in detail. And coming to my Java syllabus also, just I will share you. 1 second. This is nothing but my core Java syllabus. Okay. Sir, I understood your course of action. Can you please repeat what we have to do in our end-to-end maximize learning from this course? So tomorrow we will discuss. Please post your question in the tomorrow. Okay. Do we have any other batch timings for DSA with Java? No. This is the batch timings. Okay. We don't have any other batch.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, can we practice all of the topics in given data structure and given?
Sir, I'm going to explain.
Practical, theory topic.
Yeah, practical only. Practical only.
Okay.
We are going to explain every concept with the practical examples, sir. Parallelly, you can practice that with your laptop. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So the students who are having queries, you can stay and you can ask your queries. Remaining people, you can leave and we will continue tomorrow. Okay, I'm stopping the session. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Those who are having doubts, you can stay and you can clarify your doubts.